Let me hear you do the sound of a car screeching around a corner. Carson, let's hear you do the sound effect of a car screeching around the corner.
I don't know. What are we doing? I'm
It's
a
like a
one-trick
mosquito
pony.
in your
For
ear.
some
Why are you
reason,
doing this?
it's fascinating because women in general cannot do sound effects. Whatever that noise you just made was not a car screeching around a corner. Yeah, I'll let Carson go first.
no.
Yeah,
The
let's hear it.
sound of a gunshot.
See how she's frozen?
Like they pop.
Just frozen in fear.
Okay,
like what?
Big D.
Oh
Yes.
yeah, that is okay. Yeah. all
What
right.
about a big explosion?
I just kind of did what
That
Big
was
D
the
did.
gun, actually. but-
Oh,
Yes. You got to go. Oh, yeah, and you got the rumble. Very. What about Carson? A punch in the face.
I don't.
Wow.
I don't.
These are
Big D.
so bad.
I know. This is
Carson,
great.
forget about me. Carson, do a laser. Go.
Yeah, laser.
it up. Hit it. All right, Carson, do a phone ring and go.
Ring.
Someone just walked in the room. They have really loud shoes. Go.
Clup, 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 clup.
Club,
Oh,
club.
club, club, club. Yes.